Bum bum ba go pack go. Dun 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 dun, go pack go. Who is the winningest franchise in NFL history? Who has the most number of championships slash Super Bowls? That would be my Green Bay Packers. And as you know by now, if you don't know by now, I'll tell you again. My name is Bart, named after Hall of Fame Green Bay Packers quarterback Bart Starr. Middle name Vincent after Vince Lombardi. So hello. Tonight against the Lions, and I'm going to take the Packers and haven't decided if I'm taking the over or under yet. As fans, we always like to see or watch what is happening here. Did we lose internet? Are you still there? Hello. I think you're still there. Let's check the internet here. It's fine. I'll just keep going. Hopefully, this is fake news. Packers and Lions tonight. Haven't decided if I'm taking the over or under. I'll definitely take the Packers +3. I think that's the current line. But if you're a Lions fan, hello. You guys have a great team this year, and Dan Campbell has been doing a bang-up job with that team since he took over. So here we are since the beginning of the week. Had a short play on UCO. That is a 2 times bull on US oil. Made, nice little $1,380 there. Got back into the SLV leaps. Bing, bing, bing. Got some Boyle action. 3,000 shares at 38.71. Bought another 1,000 at 38.01. Brought our average to 38.54. We did get stopped out of our Bitcoin short. I know. Dangerous on the dance floor. Dangerous. Got out just in time because right after that, after we locked in $1,640 into our skinny jeans, then Bitcoin went on a rocket ship ride. Whoop. Chicka chicka. Chicka chicka. 103,000 plus twice. It has made a retreat, but look, from the retreat, it's making its way back up to you, babe. When did it get down to? 90, like almost 98 even? Now it's back up over 99.272. It's back over 99.1, 99.2. We could sit here all day and go back and forth on the Bitcoin. So I've got to take a look at what's going on here. Is there going to be some action down here? Does it retest? If it retests, then I'm definitely going to be loading up on the longs because this thing is not done yet. Another 1,000 shares of Boyle at 38.09. Got the GLD Leap at 240 strike, 10 contracts. Yesterday, bought 1,000 more shares. Basically got the bottom on this one, 36.65 for an average of 38.15 on Boyle. That is a bull on natural gas. Bought 3,000 shares of UCO, which is a 2 times bull on the oil. So in and out on that, in and out, trying to do another smash and grab. 3,000 shares at 25.68, and currently it's at 25.36. Hello. Today loaded up on a handful of leaps, 100 contracts of SLV, which is the silver ETF, 26 strike, January 16th, 2026. Spent $54,500 on that. Added another load at $27 strike, 100 contracts for $49,000. Had one on the board for another 100 contracts at 28, but it did not get filled, so it did expire at the end of business today. And then I did add 10 contracts of the GLD 240 strike 116, paid $22,400, and how about that? Got ourselves a new all-time high, 2.557 on 12.5. So we got that going for us. The junior silver miners, we have 100 call contracts that expire in the middle of, or the third week of January. It's currently trading at over $12, so $11 calls. Feeling pretty good. Still feeling pretty good about that little trade. There's our 20 contracts at 245 strike of GLD. They're down over $10,000. 30 contracts of the 240 strike on the Leaps, down $250. SLV 26 strike, 300 contracts. That represents 30,000 shares, up almost 16,000. Silver off its closing high, coming down a little bit. And then the 27s are up over $5,000. 3 positions only as far as equity shares are concerned. AGQs 88.53 were up. Boyle, we were down over 6,000. Now we're up over 6,000. Oh boy. Yeah. And this thing is aftermarket. You see that shadow there? See, this is when it ended. And then this shadow to the right. Bingo. Aftermarket closed at 38.81. Or according to this, 38.79. And now at 39.17, or according to this, 39.16. So that makes me feel pretty good. Back to the big board. And then the UCO, which is the 2 times bull on US oil, down almost $900. Silver, really? Is that the 3? I moved this over. This is all local, right? Is meaning these are parentheses 5s, not big 3s or big 4s or big 5s. So is that the 3? And this is the 4 already over? And then we're rocket shipping up to 32? Probably. Gold. Meander right here. As far as bottom, 1, 2, perfect. And then 3 is the start of it is just a meander. But it's going. Get up there. In fact, I moved it higher. Bitcoin, I got to run the fibs on this. For sure, we get down here and test this lower trend line, then I'm definitely loading up on the longs. Bitcoin owes me money, and I'm going to collect. Boyle, it's like, hello, playing out almost perfectly. But look where we got this son of a gun. Really? Let's not get crazy. 60 is a good number. Imagine if this goes to 60. What would that look like? That'd look like ordering up a new Lambo. UNG, United States Oil. This is what I base the Boyle trade on, is what this chart looks like. I don't have it graphed right now, but I will for tomorrow. And then same thing, natural gas. We had our warning Will Rogers line here at $2.99. Tested it and broke through it a couple of times. Bingo, bango. Didn't have stops in place because I'm learning from some of my early mistakes, early as last week. And then it's been looking real good. See these higher highs. Not necessarily higher low here, but what do we got here? I don't know where that line came from, but we're currently at 308. My target's 320. So if that goes to 320, Boyle's going to go to the moon. USO got a little, this looks like bottoming to me right here, this pattern. So I'm hoping that we're bottoming. We're not gonna retest this too, but we're just consolidating before we get a little energy up, and then bang, bingo, bango, up into 3, 4, 5. Looking for 88. Looking for 88 in the USO. If USO is 88, then UCO would be. When's the last time we had 88? Long time ago. So where was UCO on? Let's just say Friday, June 10th. Friday, June 10th. Oh, that's way back here. Let's move my head a minute. Give me year to date. Recalibrate. June 10th. So on June 10th, Getting there. UCO is over 30 and it's currently at 25. So if you add $5 a share, yeah, that's a nice potential move for us. So that's what I'm looking at. Thanks for tuning in. Watch those Packers tonight. Root them on if you're a Lions fan. I get it. It's been a long time coming, but tonight, J Love will be throwing touchdown passes all over you. Packers, it's going to be an upset. And I'll say Packers by 9. Spread is 3, so I'll take my 3, and we'll still win by 9. So that's what I'm looking at. Haven't decided on the over and under. I think it's 52 points. It's pretty. I mean, Vegas is amazing at all of this stuff, especially over unders. But that's what I got. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.